Looking for a hair dryer for every season? VEGA Blooming Air Hair Dryer is here. This 1000 watt hair dryer comes with a cool setting and a heat setting. In summers, you can use the cool setting. For monsoon or winters, use the heat setting. To dry your hair, point the dryer towards your hair. Move from roots to tips. The hair dryer comes with a detachable nozzle, which is ideal for precision hairstyling. It is lightweight, has a foldable handle, and a hanging loop. Styling while drying has never been easier.